Hello, it's me Muteeb. Welcome to my review of Oppo Find N2 Flip. In this review, we will dive into the key features and specification of this new smartphone from Oppo and share my thoughts on its overall performance and design. Starting with the design, the Oppo Find N2 Flip has a unique flip-up design, and that's a standout feature. The phone has a premium look and feel thanks to its metal frame and plastic back. The flip-up display module is well built and feels sturdy. The phone is available in three colors: Astral Black, Moonlight Purple and Gold. Moving to the display, the Oppo Find N2 Flip features a 6.8 inches LTPO 120Hz AMOLED display. The display is bright and offers excellent viewing angles. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which should provide decent protection against scratch and accidental drops. Under the hood, the Oppo Find N2 Flip is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus chipset, which is a high-end processor that delivers a good performance. The phone also comes with 8, 12 and 16 GB of RAM. The phone runs on Android 13 with Oppo custom ColorOS 13 skin on the top. The UI is clean and easy to navigate. Camera section. Find N2 flip-up camera module is the highlight of the phone. The module houses a dual camera setup that includes 50 megapixel primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens. The camera system is capable of capturing stunning photos with great detail, clarity and color accuracy. The camera app is loaded with features including night mode, pro mode, panorama and more. The flip-up camera module also doubles as selfie camera and it delivers excellent results. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is packed by 4300 mAh battery, which is a decent capacity. The phone supports 44-watt fast charging, which means it can charge up to 50% in just 23 minutes. Last but not least, the Oppo Find N2 Flip is a great phone that offers some unique feature like flip-up camera. It has a premium design, excellent performance and a great camera system. The fast charging support is a bonus and the battery life is decent. If you are looking for a phone that offers something different, the Oppo Find N2 Flip is definitely worth considering. And that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you do a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.